Hi loves, welcome to my winter morning skincare routine. There's nothing better than a cozy skincare routine on a snowy winter morning like today. So of course, the first thing I like to do is make my favorite matcha iced latte. I know it's freezing outside, but I'm an iced matcha girl no matter the season or weather. Once I have my matcha in hand, it's time to start my winter skincare routine. Winter's when my skin needs the most love. The cold air, the indoor heating, the dry weather makes my skin feeling dull, tight, and not as glowy. So lately I've been elevating my routine with the CUEME LED therapy mask, and honestly, it has changed my mornings. The CUEME LED therapy mask comes with everything you need for an at-home professional LED experience, and I love that it just feels like I'm bringing a spa treatment into my own home. The mask itself is super soft and very comfortable, and it has adjustable straps so that it fits perfectly without feeling tight or heavy. What I really love is how customizable it is. Depending on what my skin needs that day, I can switch between different light settings. The red light promotes collagen production, it boosts skin regeneration, and it improves elasticity. The near light enhances blood circulation, reduces signs of aging, and helps improve fine lines. If I'm breaking out or feeling congested, the blue light is amazing. Orange light helps improve dull yellow looking skin, while the purple light reduces inflammation, fades dark spots, and gives you a radiant glow. There's also an infrared light which soothes the skin and enhances cellular energy. And the green light reduces oil secretion, supports lymphatic drainage, and minimizes facial puffiness. And if my skin is feeling extra sensitive from the cold, I'll use the yellow light because it improves skin roughness and wrinkles while reducing redness and even sunburn. This mask has a timer option of 5 or 10 minutes, which makes it so easy to customize depending on how much time I have. It also features a clip-on so I can move around hands-free, read my books, watch TV. I usually like to tidy up my room, answer a few emails, or just sip my matcha while letting the mask do its thing. After I'm done, my skin feels calm, refreshed, and visibly more radiant, especially in the winter. I notice such a difference in texture and glow. So if you're looking to elevate your skincare routine with LED technology that you can trust, I highly recommend the CUEME Light Therapy Mask. It's one of those investments that makes you feel like you're really taking care of yourself, and that's what winter mornings are all about.